In a world striving for sustainable development, the United Nations introduced the Sustainable Development Goal. Welcome to our exploration of Sustainable Development Goal 12, responsible consumption and production. We will focus on Target 12.B and 12.7. Target 12.B focus on development and implement tools to monitor sustainable development impacts for sustainable tourism that create jobs and promotes local culture and products. While Target 12.7 promote public procurement practice that are sustainable in accordance with national policies and priorities. These two targets play a crucial role in fostering economic growth, environmental protection, and social inclusion. Now, let's meet our dedicated individual driving this initiative forwards. We have Ahmad Hanis Haikal, Alia Amalina, Azlina, Iman Atif, and Nur Fatimah.
Hi, my name is Alia and I will explain about problem 1. Coral reefs are one of the most important ecosystems in the world. They support all non-marine species, protect coastline during storms, and help local economies through fisheries and tourism. However, did you know that our coral reef is dying? This is due to increase in climate change and ocean acidification. Climate change leads to the warming of the Earth's atmosphere, which makes the ocean warmer. When sea temperature rises, they put stress on the coral reef, which is known as coral bleaching. They expel symbiotic algae living in their tissue, resulting in loss of color and nutrients. When they reach this state, the corals are prone to diseases and death. Next is ocean acidification. Increased level of carbon dioxide in atmosphere due to human activities such as burning fossil fuels are absorbed by the ocean. This process leads to lower pH levels, making the ocean more acidic. Acidification prevents the coral reef from building their calcium carbonate skeletons, which are necessary for growth and structure. As the number of coral reefs die increases, more marine creatures lose their habitat, causing a ripple effect throughout the entire ocean ecosystem. And that's all from me. I'll pass to the next presenter.
Next, I will talk about problem 2, which is about sustainable tourism in Malaysia. Welcome to Malaysia, a land of diverse cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and vibrant communities. But behind the allure of its tourism lies a complex web of challenges that demand our attention. Tourism, while a boon for Malaysia's economy, often strains local resources. In destinations like Langkawi and Kuala Lumpur, the influx of tourists leads to overconsumption of water, energy, and food, exacerbating environmental degradation. Moreover, the tourism sector generates significant waste, from plastic pollution to food waste and wastewater. Inadequate waste management infrastructure worsen the problem, polluting land and water bodies, threatening ecosystem, and jeopardizing the achievement of SDG 12 targets. Unsustainable tourism practice also pose a grave threat to Malaysia's biodiversity and natural habitats. Activities like deforestation for infrastructure development and irresponsible snorkeling and diving practice cause irreversible damage, affecting local wildlife and indigenous communities. Additionally, travel and transportation associated with tourism contribute to Malaysia's carbon footprint, exacerbating climate change. The country's reliance on air travel for international tourism further compounds the issue. Sustainable transportation options like eco-friendly modes of transport and improved public transit infrastructure are essential for mitigating this impact. Last but not least, tourism impact extends beyond the environment, affecting local cultures and communities. While Malaysia promotes traditional cultural experience, there's a risk of commodifying culture for profit, leading to issues like displacement of indigenous people, loss of cultural heritage, and exploitation of labor. Amidst these challenges lies the concept of sustainable tourism, an approach that seeks to minimize the negative impacts of tourism while maximizing its benefits. Sustainable tourism aims to preserve natural environment, protect cultural heritage, and promote economic development that benefits local communities.
Hi and good evening. My name is Ahmad Hanis Haikal bin Ahmad Nazri and my matrix number is B0520101140. So today I will explain about engineering solution for the problems. Engineering solution for dying coral reef problem is by development and deployment of artificial reef structures or reef restoration technologies such as coral reef transplantation. Constructing the artificial reef structures need to be done by using durable structures such as from environmentally friendly materials like concrete, ceramic or natural limestone. By providing attachment points for coral growth and creating habitats for marine organisms. Proceed to the next problem, which is lack of monitoring. Engineering solution for this problem is by installing physical barrier. The structure of the physical barrier need to be designed to physically separate tourists from fragile reef ecosystem and also reducing the risk of direct contact and damage. These physical barriers constructed underwater around sensitive reef areas. The physical barrier usually made from materials such as sturdy mesh or PVC pipes that are anchored to the seabed. The height and density of the fence can be adjusted based on the level of protection needed and the type of marine life in the area. That's all from me. Thank you. Let's proceed to the next presenter.
I am Iman Latif bin Muhammad Razi and I will be your third speaker. I will present about the non-engineering solution for coral reef is dying due to climate change. One of the best non-engineering solution that can overcome this problem is coral reef restoration and regeneration. Coral reef restoration involves collecting small fragments from healthy coral colonies and the colonies that have better resistance towards the ocean warming. After preparing restoration site by removing debris and invasive species, the grown coral colonies are carefully transplanted and secured to facilitate their establishment. The restored reef are then closely monitored and maintained to ensure successful regeneration of diverse, abundant coral population that can better withstand the impact of climate change and ocean warming. Next one is the non-engineering solution for sustainable tourism. We believe that protecting coral reefs requires educating all visitors through comprehensive briefings on the importance of this ecosystem and enforcing strict guidelines like no touching, standing on or damaging coral, maintaining a safe distance of 2 to 3 meters, practicing responsible snorkeling, diving with proper buoyancy control, prohibiting littering or using sunscreen or chemicals, respecting marine life by not harassing them, using designated mooring areas to avoid anchor damage, setting a good example as guide or instructor, and involving local communities to share traditional conservation practice. By actively educating and adhering to good reef ethics in the water, sustainable tourism can be promoted while minimizing impact and ensuring the long-term preservation of this fragile reef environment.
In conclusion, we have explored two critical problems threatening our oceans and their delicate ecosystems. Coral reefs are suffering as a result of climate change, and tourist action frequently add to the problem. By combining engineering and non-engineering approaches, we can safeguard our ocean. Together, let's unite for our mission to create a more sustainable world for future generations. That's all from us. Thank you.